Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Shengjie Kris. I'm here to talk about daily temperature variation, health, and disparities. Historically, human settlements have developed in regions with relatively stable daily temperature, a trend that continues to influence today's population distributions. Regions with high population density, such as Europe and East Asia, have low daily variation. Regions with large daily temperature variation, such as the Sahara and Australia's inland areas, continue to have low population density. Existing research shows that, with a similar daily mean temperature, large daily variation is associated with higher health risk, particularly on the respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Daily temperature variation is an overlooked health factor. Temperature varies across places. For example, two weather stations in two neighborhoods of Los Angeles have very different patterns. The yellow line is the weather station in the El Monte neighborhood, and the white line is the weather station in the Westchester neighborhood. We can see El Monte has larger daily temperature variation. El Monte is a Hispanic and minority neighborhood with only 3.4% white population. Westchester is a white neighborhood. Are there disparities here, in Los Angeles, in California, and in the United States? I've lived in Los Angeles for almost 4 years and experienced in first-hand the differences. This is the starting point of my research. So, I obtained NASA data, calculated population weighted exposure for each month at the neighborhood level, and then summarized findings for each state. I found significant disparities. In California, during the month with the largest variation, Hispanic and Black populations are exposed to 2 degrees larger daily variation than the white population. The largest difference occurred in Rhode Island with a 3 degrees difference. To confirm with my findings, I also consider income and age. I make heat maps from left to right showing the monthly disparities of each state by race and ethnicity, by income, and by age. The disparities by race and ethnicity are evident in 47 states and DC. Income disparities are also evident in 39 states and DC. Age shows very little difference. Since there are clear disparities by income, race, and ethnicity but not by age, we can be certain that the observed disparities are truly linked to race, ethnicity, and income. Daily temperature variation is projected to increase in the future. Water bodies and trees are 2 key factors that can mitigate temperature variations. For future suggestions, we should strategically incorporate water bodies and trees into our neighborhoods, especially in the minority communities as they are facing higher health risk.